snow, thought we'd burn up the skis. We got the snow gods we need to appease. Now who's to blame? We got a flame. Goodness gracious, Casey's on fire. It burned his coat, singed the hair on his face. His eyes feel like they were sprayed with mace. Like smoke he stinks, his face is pink. Goodness gracious, Casey's on fire. Ooh, kiss him softly, Jeannie. Blisters are rising. A ball of fire up around his head. He's got to choke. He starts to cough. And now his face is falling off. Since the ball of fire, his eyebrows are gone. Give that man a pencil, he can draw some on. Yeah, you can bet the fire he set. Goodness gracious, Casey's on fire.